Hey everybody, Ali Floors again here with Orlando Vacation. All right, in today's video we're going to be diving into the world of Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings. Located in the heart of Walt Disney World Resort, Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings offers a comfortable, convenient, and affordable place to stay while you explore all that Central Florida has to offer. With spacious suites, modern amenities, and friendly staff, this hotel is the ideal destination for your next getaway. Keep watching to find out more about why Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings is the perfect home away from home. But you know what's coming. Before we continue, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below letting us know your thoughts. All right, let's get into it. Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World is a hotel located in the Flamingo Crossings Village development, just minutes away from the Walt Disney World Resort in Orlando, Florida. The hotel offers a variety of spacious suites that are perfect for families and groups of friends, as well as amenities that cater to both leisure and business travelers. Some of the amenities at Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World include a fitness center, outdoor pool, complimentary breakfast, free Wi-Fi, a 24-hour business center. The hotel also has a convenience store, a snack shop, and a laundry room, making it easy for guests to get everything they need during their stay. The suites at Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World are all designed with modern decor and feature a living area with a sofa bed, a kitchenette with a refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher, and a separate bedroom with a king or queen bed. There are also accessible suites available for guests with disabilities. Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World is a great choice for families and groups who want to be close to Disney World and have all the comforts of home while they're on vacation. Here are some reasons why you might want to consider staying at Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World. Proximity to Disney World. One of the most significant benefits of staying at Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World is its proximity to Disney World. Located just a few minutes away from the world-famous theme park, guests can easily make their way to and from the park, whether by car or shuttle bus. Being so close to Disney World means that guests can spend more time enjoying the park's attractions, shows, and experiences without having to worry about long travel times or traffic. This is especially beneficial for families with young children who may need to take breaks or rest during the day. Moreover, being close to Disney World also allows guests to take advantage of the park's extended hours, special events, and seasonal offerings without having to plan a long commute back to their hotel at the end of the day. The proximity of the Home2 Suites by Hilton Florida Crossings near Disney World to Walt Disney World is a significant advantage for those who want to maximize their time at the park and enjoy all that it has to offer. Spacious suites. Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World offers spacious suites that are perfect for families or groups of friends. The hotel suites are designed with modern decor and feature separate living areas and bedrooms, providing guests with a comfortable and home-like experience. The living areas in the suites are equipped with a sofa bed, making it possible to accommodate additional guests. The kitchenette in each suite has a refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher, providing guests with the convenience of being able to prepare their own meals. In addition, the separate bedrooms in the suites are furnished with either a king or a queen bed, ensuring a comfortable and restful night's sleep. Accessible suites are also available for guests with disabilities upon request, so be sure to let our reservations team know in advance. The spacious suites at Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World offer guests the opportunity to relax and enjoy their stay, whether they're traveling with family, friends, or on business. With ample space and thoughtful amenities, the suites provide a comfortable home away from home. Kitchenette in every suite. One of the standout features of Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World is the kitchenette that comes with every suite. The kitchenette includes a refrigerator, microwave, and a dishwasher, making it easy for guests to prepare and store their own meals or snacks. This is especially beneficial for families or groups traveling together, as they can save money on dining out by cooking their own meals. With the convenience of a kitchenette, guests can also prepare and store snacks or drinks, making it possible to bring food and drinks with them on outings to Walt Disney World or other nearby attractions. In addition, the kitchenette allows guests to maintain their usual eating habits and dietary dietary preferences while traveling, making it a great option for those with food allergies or dietary restrictions. Take it from me, that is a huge deal. This actually happened to me. It's like, can I take your order? Flip. I was like, yeah, I'll take the steak, but I'm allergic to mushrooms. Okay, that's fine. And they come back and the steak was covered in mushroom sauce. And I was like, I'm allergic to this. Oh, I just thought you didn't like it. Toss. So cooking your own meal, awesome. You don't have to worry about stuff like that. Having a kitchenette in every suite at Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World offers guests the freedom and flexibility to eat and drink as they please without having to rely on restaurants or fast food options. Complimentary breakfast. That's right. You get to have breakfast that'll tell you look good today. Oh, that's different meaning. Sorry. Another standout feature of Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World is the complimentary breakfast that is provided to guests each morning. The breakfast offers a wide variety of options to suit different tastes and dietary needs, including hot and cold items, cereals, fresh fruit, yogurt, and more. The complimentary breakfast is particularly beneficial for families or groups who may have different schedules or want to start their day early. With a full breakfast available on site, guests can save time and money by not having to seek out a separate breakfast location. The complimentary breakfast also allows guests to enjoy a delicious and filling meal before setting out for a day of exploring nearby attractions, including Disney World. The complimentary breakfast at Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World is a great way to start the day off on the right foot, providing guests with a variety of options to fuel up and enjoy all that the area has to offer. Outdoor pool. Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World features an outdoor pool, which is a great place for guests to relax and unwind after exploring and checking out all of the theme parks. You know, going to Universal or SeaWorld, you come back, you're all hot and sweaty. You know what's awesome? A pool. It's the best, all right? So make sure that you go to that pool. The pool is open year-round, making it possible for guests to take a refreshing swim regardless of the season. The pool also features lounge chairs and umbrellas, making it a comfortable place to relax and soak up the sun. Families with children can enjoy the pool's adjacent splash pad, which offers fun water play activities for kids. The outdoor pool is a great way to beat the heat during the hot summer months, and it also offers a relaxing atmosphere for guests to unwind after a busy day. With its convenient location near Walt Disney World and other area attractions, the outdoor pool at Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World is a great option for families, couples, and business travelers alike. Fitness center. For those who like to stay active while traveling, Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World offers a fitness center equipped with modern equipment for strength training and cardiovascular exercise. The fitness center is available to guests 24/7, making it possible for guests to fit in a workout at any time that suits their schedule. The fitness center includes a variety of equipment such as treadmills, elliptical machines, stationary bikes, and weight machines, providing guests with a range of options for their fitness routine. The equipment is well maintained and up to date, ensuring a safe and effective workout. With a fitness center on site, guests can maintain their usual exercise routine while traveling and enjoy the benefits of regular exercise even while on vacation. The fitness center is also a great option for business travelers who want to fit in a workout before or after a day of meetings. 24-hour business center. Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World provides a 24-hour business center for guests who need to get work done while on the road. The business center is equipped with computers and printers and other necessary equipment, allowing guests to work efficiently and productively. The business center is available 24/7, making it possible for guests to work at any time of day or night. This is particularly beneficial for business travelers who may have tight deadlines or need to work outside of regular business hours. In addition, the business center also provides complimentary Wi-Fi access, allowing guests to stay connected with colleagues, clients, and loved ones while on the road. With a comfortable workspace, guests can stay on top of their work responsibilities while also enjoying all that the area has to offer, including Walt Disney World and other nearby attractions. The 24-hour business center at Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World provides guests with the necessary tools and resources to stay productive and efficient while traveling. Convenience store and snack shop. Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World features a convenience store and snack shop, providing guests with a grab-and-go option for purchasing snacks, drinks, and other items. The store is open 24/7, making it easy for guests to grab a snack or drink at any time of the day or night. The sundry shop is also a great option for guests who may have forgotten to pack an item or need to purchase something very quickly. The store carries a variety of items such as toiletries, snacks, beverages, and other essentials. The snack shop located in the lobby offers a range of snacks including grab-and-go items like sandwiches, salads, and desserts. The snack shop is a great option for guests who need a quick bite before heading out for the day or for those who want to enjoy a snack in their room. Laundry room. Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings near Disney World provides a guest laundry room, making it easy for guests to do their laundry while on the road. The laundry room is equipped with washers and dryers, and detergent is available for purchase in the on-site convenience store. The laundry room is open 24/7, making it possible for guests to do their laundry at any time of day or night. This is particularly useful for guests who are on an extended stay or for families with young children who may need frequent clothing changes. In addition to the convenience of having an on-site laundry room, guests can save on the cost of laundry services compared to traditional hotels that offer laundry services at a premium. The laundry room also allows guests to pack lighter, knowing that they can easily do laundry during their stay. In conclusion, Home2 Suites by Hilton Flamingo Crossings is a great place to stay when visiting Disney World. With its central location, luxurious amenities, spacious rooms, delicious dining options, and friendly services, it truly is the perfect home away from home. Whether you're looking for an extended stay or just a quick getaway, Home2 Suites offers something for everyone. From its well-appointed rooms to its unbeatable locations, Home2 Suites is sure to provide a comfortable and memorable stay. When you're ready to book, click the link in the description below so you can lock in your discounted rates with only a $50 deposit. And you don't have to pay the remaining balance until 15 days prior. We also offer customized payment plans on our Orlando hotels, so you can always give us a call at 1-800-641-4008 so we can get this set up for you today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be alerted when we post new videos. And feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts and feedback. See you soon. Bye, everybody.